Hey friends, my name is Evelyn Joy and welcome back to my channel. This is my first squash of the summer and this is the recipe to cook it. Enjoy. Hello my friends, my name is Evelyn Joy and welcome back to my channel. I have a yellow summer squash from my garden. I'm going to be cooking it in the skillet today with some olive oil and some spices. Today I have Italian seasoning. This is thyme and oregano. I have garlic and herb, which is basically garlic, onion, and a few spices like parsley and stuff. And this is garlic salt with parsley. So I'm going to cut this up, put a little oil and some spices. Let's go. I'm going to put some olive oil in the pan. There we go. Thyme and oregano. Garlic and herb. Garlic salt with parsley. There we go. Now we're going to turn this on to medium high. I wish you could smell how good this smells. It's only been like 2 minutes. I think it's done probably. I just tried one. It's so delicious. So I turned the heat off. I'm putting more of these in. A little bit more olive oil in here on top here. So yummy. Okay, my kids are each going to try 3.
I'm not that.
Alright, I wanted you to try it on camera because it's super delicious. You're going to love it. Is it yummy? Try it. You like it? Try it. Show me you trying it, okay? Is it good? This is my plate. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.